Hi teachers, it's Brian Smith, and I'm a Scholastic Book Club's kindergarten teacher. Today I'm going to tell you about the rewards of using Scholastic Book Clubs. Here's how it works. Every time you place a class order, you earn classroom rewards. The bigger your order is, the bigger the rewards. Pretty simple, right? One of my favorite rewards is the bonus points. Every dollar in your order earns you 1 bonus point. And every month, Scholastic offers special promotions that let you add to or multiply the bonus points you earn, so you can get even more books and resources for your classroom. Sometimes to earn extra points, all you need to do is hit a class order minimum. Another great reward is dollars to spend. These are exactly what they sound like. Extra money that you can use to add more books to your current order. Plus, every month there are super bonus rewards like free book packs, class sets, giveaways, and even original free books created especially for each grade. And there's the Apple Rewards program. If you've ever heard a teacher say, "I'm a Red Apple teacher," for example, this is what they're talking about. The Apple Rewards program is how Scholastic recognizes and rewards teachers who go the extra mile by ordering frequently. I'm a Gold Apple teacher, and I love the free shipping, calendar, and other goodies that I get throughout the school year. Again, the more your class orders, the better perks you'll get. And for your students, they can get fun monthly reading rewards too when they order. Also, make sure you encourage your students to enter the many fun, book-inspired writing and drawing contests. The contests are designed to ignite kids' creativity while offering fun ways for you to tie it into your curriculum. And don't forget about the Scholastic Book Club's blog, Judy Newman at Scholastic.com. Each week, you get a $1 deal book and free and fun teaching resources to bring the book to life with your students. Wow, as you can see, there are a ton of rewards to help you fill your classroom with all the books and resources you need. Thanks for watching, and please check out the other tutorials on how to get the most out of Scholastic Book Clubs.